Welcome to the channel, good people. Today we'll be traveling to Powerscourt waterfall, which is located 30 to 50 minutes drive from city center. To arrive there by car, you need to take N11 southbound towards Wexford and exit at exit 7. This is the main entrance and the price is there for adult, kids. Then there are some opening times as you drive in. Here is a one-way bridge. You need to wait for, it's a one-way bridge and one car can pass. So I had to wait for my colleague there to pass. Then there I'm driving in. As you look forward, there's a lady standing in front of us there, and that's where you're gonna pay the fees to enter. And for 4 people it costed us 19 euro. 19 euro, and yeah, then we paid and it was time to go in. You need to walk like 13 minutes to arrive at the car parkings. Then you need to leave your car there and walk to the waterfall. Can't you go up to see where the water is coming from? Here they are distracting the network. Look at that, guys. Again? Again? Do it again.
Ow.
Whoa! And do this. Yay! I like that one.
Imagine if my cock fell back, fall, like, come out my tooth. Like, what do I do? What do I do? And I push that. Oh, but I'll have to be doing that. Wow. Stop. Oh.
Hey. Let's go.
In the woods. We are going to there. You can actually come here and do barbecues under those trees, and there are a lot of seats where you can sit and relax as a family. Very nice place and very open. Too many barbecue places here that you can rent out. I think you can also do picnics here. Come with your tent and
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. this road, every scene's with the light. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey we're living unplanned.
Imagine if my clock fills up while the canal machine.
Oh, but